can't believe you've still got hiccups, Lola.
Yes, and they're stopping me from doing school all properly. All those days forever and ever.
No, Lola. I know. Look at my finger very, very closely.
I am looking, Charlie.
Boom!
Mars, why did you do that?
To get rid of your hiccups. Has it worked, Lola?
Ooh. Yes, they've gone. Completely gone. Thank you. Spring is here. Spring is here. Spring is here at last. The concert's going to be all right now my hiccups have gone away.
Yes.